So I was saying before that before uh, uh, pushing your change to the cloud, you need to always pull, because by the time you start working and collaborating properly, a lot of people would have made changes, and you need to pull first so that your code will be in sync and updated to what is on the cloud before adding your own. So now I was demonstrating before to do all this anything GitHub. Normally you be in this place, but you just have to come to this here, and then you see all these options that are here. In the previous video, I showed how you can push a change, you can commit a change. So you see all these options are here. You come to this last dot that is here, then you click on it, and then you pull. Just click pull. It's as simple as that. But what I just did now, if you notice, there's nothing that is going to change here. Normally, a lot of conflicts and different things are going to display here. All right. So I just clicked pull because I know that no other person has made a change yet. I am the only person currently that has made a change. So that is what had just happened. So yeah, all right. That is how to pull. Another thing I want to talk about, I would have gone in depth to, because there are problems that you might encounter when you pull and then someone has made a change. You might see some things that actually look like error, but they are not actually error. They are just actually indicating and showing you what your code was before your pull command. I cannot use mouth to explain it yet, but I'm sure very soon some of you will encounter that thing, and then I wish somebody has cloned by now and made a change so that I'll just pull and then display that thing here. But it's alright. So that's for the push and pull. And then there's another thing I want to talk about. It's called branches. So I'll go back to that. Where is it? Okay, it's called branches. So now I'm going to address this as a big project. When we are doing a big project, it is necessary for us to, how will I put it? Okay, you know the way let me say branches, let me a tree is it has one, the what do they call it? Is it the stem, or the body, and then it has the branches. So the branches are just other parts of the tree. Now, you know the way it was when in school, when they give us an assignment, and then um, let's say a calculation assignment, and then we want to have a rough sheet where we do our rough calculations and then get the results, and then transfer the results with neat workings to our main booklet. So that's what I'll talk about now. Branch, that's how branches are. If I click on this, you'll see that there is what we call the main and then the temporary branch. This temporary branch is another, should I say, another part of this whole repository. So the main branch is the main let's say, let me call it a worksheet where our code is based on. But the temporary branch is where we can do every of our rough works and everything concerning this project before transferring everything to the main branch, because that is from that main branch that our full project will be deployed. I don't know if this part sounds a little bit more confusing. So in VS Code, right, if we look down here, we will see that I am working in the main branch. But now, when you guys clone, I want you to switch to the temporary branch so that every change that you are making, every push that one that you are doing is going to the temporary branch and not the main branch. The main branch should be set aside for when our project is finally complete and we have done it, because we will encounter a lot of problems and everything. So when we have done, let's say we have done the project, we have completed the project, and then we are done. We are conducting the testing phase. We conduct all that. in the temporary branch so that our main branch will just be set aside for when the project is complete. And then when it's complete, we can just transfer everything to the main branch and then deploy from there. So I'm going to switch now to the temporary branch in my VS Code. So I normally use commands for that one, but let me see if I can actually do it from here. Okay, yes, you can actually do it from here. So it's checkout. It's called checkout. So once you click on this checkout, VS Code just made everything easier. Now you see this is going to come up. If you look down, you see there is the main branch, the origin main branch. That's still the same thing as the main branch. Then you see below here the temporary branch. Once I click on this, you see below here now it has changed again. It's taking me now to the temporary branch. So every change I'll be making is going to be happening only on the temporary branch. I'll show you something now. I'll go back to that. Yes, I'm back here. So you remember that change that we made in that in the main branch, and that one happened just minutes ago that I said added more numbers. Added that's 11 minutes ago. If you notice, that change does not appear in this temporary branch because it was not this branch I made that commit. So by the time you guys start working on this project, I want you to be working on the temporary branch. We'll leave the main branch for now. So when we're done with everything, we know that everything is working well on the temporary branch. We just push everything to the main branch. This is too much talk for what branches are. Normally you understand everything when you start using it properly. So that's all for now. So I've sent some of you your invites. Yes, I've sent the 12 your invites. Okay, yeah, that's all for now.